Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to mark communities as unread on Facebook using your PC with the latest update. This feature is perfect for staying organized and keeping track of important updates. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll see the familiar Facebook interface. Next, locate the messenger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to open your Messenger panel. This is where all your chats and communities are listed. Now look for the Communities tab within Messenger. Click on it to access the list of all the communities you're a part of. Scroll through the list to find the specific community you want to mark as unread. Once you've found the community, hover your mouse over it. You'll notice 3 small dots appear next to the community name. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, select the option that says Mark as Unread. And that's it. The community will now be marked as unread, helping you prioritize it for later review. This simple action ensures you don't miss any important updates or messages from your communities. It's a great way to stay organized and keep track of what matters most. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit from it. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your Facebook experience.